The Zacks rank, value, momentum, growth, and income all factor into Zacks rank buys.
Welcome to another edition of Zacks Rank Buy. I am Brian Bolin, and I am the aggressive growth stock strategist here at Zacks. And today we're doing the wildlife edition of the aggressive growth rank buy. So let's just get right into there. It's Pilgrims Pride, and it's PPC. And I know that last C in there stands for corporation, but I'm going to go ahead and call it chicken. C-H-I. You know how to spell chicken. And you know I'm in Chicago, so there you go. All right, this is Zacks rank number 1, strong buy. It is an A for growth, which we always like to see here. A B for value. Normally I like to see a weaker value score, but for this case, I'm making exceptions because I want to stick on my wildlife theme. All right, let's take a look at why this is a Zacks rank number 1. Now, it's not because of the earnings history here, because this is not what you want to see. A lot of misses, 1, 2, 3 in a row there. And the estimates just aren't really here. So we don't see them for this quarter, for next quarter. But if we look for the annual estimate, and that's what the Zacks rank really focuses in on, you see that this year has moved up from $1.83 to $1.89. Next year, even better, $1.83 to $2.13, going way up there. So that's why that this is a Zacks rank number 1. Let's peek at the valuation here. And we can see, for chicken, 15 times forward earnings. Is that a lot? I don't know. With very slim growth up top, I start to wonder about that. But if I look at the margins here, I can see that they're holding still at about 3%. Net margin in there just a little bit below that. Price to book at 3 times. Price to sales just a little bit under 1 there, so I don't like to see that. But this stock fits in with the idea of being in my wildlife portfolio for today, my wildlife aggressive growth buys. Here's the chart. Big ups, big downs. Down goes Frazier here. So do the estimates. You can see the estimates taking that stock down with it. The estimates really taking the stock down. Now the estimates are starting to trickle back higher. You know what that means. There's a chance that this stock goes from present level around 30 to maybe even up to 36. That would be a big 20% move. 20. I'm getting really good with the Epic pen, aren't I? All right, so that's it for this one. Let's move on to the next one. What animal do we have next in the wildlife edition of the Zacks rank buy? You guessed it. It's a zebra. Zebras make incredible mating noises. If you haven't heard it, go check it out on YouTube. Zebra yelping, zebra mating noises. Little video I did from the St. Louis Zoo a number of years back. ZBRA is the ticker for Zebra Technologies. It's a Zacks rank number 1 strong buy with a B for growth and a C for value. So B gets a little leniency here because of the name of the company, Zebra Technologies, right? I mean, you gotta make certain room certain times. But if we look at why this is a Zacks rank number 1, we'll start down on the bottom. Beaten every quarter for the last 4 quarters with an average positive surprise of 5.6%. Like to see that. Estimates tickling higher here, 324 to 328, 352 to 363, 1260 to 1285. I mean, they just move in nickels here. And then 1350 to 1390 for next year. Wow, some big upward movements in the estimates, and that is going to give you a Zacks rank number 1. Valuation's always the thing when you're talking about a $200 stock, but you see this is only trading 16 times forward earnings, 8% top line growth. Price to book at 7. For these tech companies, for these tech software names, that sort of thing, that's not that bad of a number there. Margins, look at that, 13% operating margin, net margin improving. Almost a full basis point there from 2 quarters ago. So I like to see margins increase. I like to see this number just a little bit higher. But boy, it's 16 times earnings for a tech name like this. You gotta kind of really like that. Let's take a quick look at the chart and ride that zebra. Look at that. That zebra is running off into the sunset. I mean, this is one of those charts where you just go, let's see, maybe I'll go like this. I'll go woof, straight up and away and hold by this name, hold it and go to sleep. I mean, Yes, there's been some volatility here and here and here. But I mean, if you take a look over the last couple years, if you buy this thing, go to sleep and wake up Rip Van Winkle style, maybe not 20 years, but a few years down the road, you're going to be fine. Fine, fine. All right, so let's just take a quick look at that one again. It's Zebra Technologies, ZBRA. It's a Zacks rank number one. That's it for this week. Be sure to join us next time when we take a look at two more aggressive growth stocks for your aggressive growth radar screen.